Hello and welcome to the channel. The back to school season is here again, and if you are looking for a super cute, easy and protective hairstyle for your little angel, you have come to the right place. Today we are diving into some simple and stylish rubber band hairstyles that are perfect for natural hair. They are quick to do and look absolutely adorable. First up, we have the classic grid. This style is a lifesaver. You just need a rat tail comb, some colorful rubber bands, and a little bit of patience. Start by sectioning the hair into small squares or diamonds. Apply a light cream or gel to each section to keep it neat. Then secure it with a rubber band. You can get creative by mixing up the colors or even adding some beads to the ends. It's a great way to keep your hair organized and tangle-free. Now, a quick style needs good care to last. To keep the styles looking fresh, make sure you moisturize the hair and scalp daily. A simple mix of water and a leave-in conditioner in a spray bottle works wonders. Also, before bedtime, have your child wear a satin or silk bonnet to protect the hair from friction. This will help prevent frizz and keep the style looking sharp for days. When it's time to take the style out, be gentle. Use a little oil on the rubber bands before you remove them to prevent breakage. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.